I have done this usability test review on the website entitled campusactivism.org. The first part, I would like to introduce the executive summary. This site clearly needs a better navigational organization, an easier to use search function, better use of website space, and a better site layout. As for the site analysis, there are several areas of concern with this website. Area 1 of concern is the defined navigation. A second navigation bar with added categories can confuse users more than help them navigate the site. Area 2 of concern, the search bar on the homepage. The search bar will help users find the information they are looking for far easier than searching the entire site through. Area 3 of concern, better use of the entire screen space. This will allow the site to house more information as well as present a more unified presentation. And finally, Area 4 of concern. The site layout is an important factor to remember when creating a website. It may be what attracts users to the site in the first place and keeps them coming back. So a good site layout is very important. When trying this website out in a mobile view, the site does not change whether you view it on a mobile device or a web browser. This causes more of a hassle with potential users. The hassle can come to outweigh the user's need for information, causing users not to use the website. For a summary of this usability test, I chose 3 different people and asked them to be a part of the usability test for the website at www.campusactivism.org. Following their agreement to the project, I had them meet me at the local library where I administered the usability test. I asked each participant to complete 3 tasks on the site: finding out more information about hacking, how to promote a cause that needs activism on the site, and where can I find current issues featured on the site. Following each participant's attempts to complete the tasks assigned, I concluded the test by asking them several questions about their use of the site. How easy was the site to use to complete the tasks you were asked to do? What were your thoughts or reaction to the site before and after the usability test? Would you be likely to use the site again after this test? And do you have any suggestions for the site's creator to improve the site's ease of use? And in concluding the summary of the usability test, I reviewed the participants' responses to the tasks and questions at hand. I concluded that this site is in need of a redesign to allow users to have better access to the information the site is presenting. Based on these responses, I have come up with this redesign strategy. Clearly label the navigational bar, and if more than one navigation bar is present, do not add or change the labels of the different sections on the bar. Include a search bar on the home screen to ensure the site users have a convenient access to a quick way to search the site for the information they are looking for. Add a way to increase the size of the website without having to continuously use the zoom feature. Use the entire available space for the website so that all pertinent information can be placed accordingly on the site. And finally, to provide an easy navigation to the site that users can use of any particular skill level.